Put vinegar into a toilet and watch what happens. Everyone tries to keep their home clean and hygienic, especially places where our body is most vulnerable to bacteria. Cleansers and disinfectants aren't always worthwhile, so you should know which alternatives can help to achieve the best results. Here is a simple but really effective way to make your house safer and cleaner. Actually, it's not only useful for your home. Watch till the end to learn the most unusual ways to use vinegar that you probably never heard before. What you need: hard water can build up on your toilet and leave stains that are tough to clean. Don't rush out and buy expensive cleaning products. You can quickly remove all the stains and rust without harsh chemicals. All you'll need is vinegar. What vinegar does? White vinegar is one of those products that should be in every home. It's useful in the kitchen, and it also has properties that make it excellent for cleaning tasks. Next time you clean your toilet or bathtub, use vinegar, as it can dissolve limescale, kill all bacteria, mold, and germs. Clean metal parts from rust. Remove unpleasant odors. 1. Use with soda. You can use vinegar with baking soda to get an enhanced effect. To clean visible dirt and disinfect the toilet with vinegar, you should take a glass of 9% vinegar baking soda or iodine solution. Heat a glass of vinegar to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius, and then mix it with soda or iodine. For 7 ounces, you'll need 1 tablespoon of soda. If you use iodine, the proportion is 1:1. Pour the resulting mixture into the toilet tank for several hours. It's better to do this in the evening, so that the solution remains in the object you're cleaning for the whole night. For the best results, you can repeat the process several times. 2. Use without soda. Don't worry if you don't have baking soda at home. The vinegar-only method works even better. First, empty the water tank and close the tap. Then, wipe the internal surface of the tank with a dry cloth and apply a cloth moistened with vinegar. After 2 to 6 hours, you can clean the dirt with a scraper. Now keep in mind that it shouldn't be metal. White vinegar not only can replace the expensive cleaning products, but also can be used as part of your beauty routine. Here are 5 brilliant ways to use vinegar instead of cosmetic products. 1. Make your hair silky. For smooth and silky hair, mix 1 part white vinegar with 2 parts water. Spray it all over your hair. Let it sit for 10 minutes and rinse. 2. To prevent acne. To make your skin look fresh, mix 1 tablespoon of vinegar with a glass of water. Shake it well and then wipe the problematic areas quickly with this solution. After 2 to 3 minutes, wash your face with clear water. Using vinegar, you can get rid of acne all over your body. Now keep in mind that the solution shouldn't be strong. To neutralize smoke odors, pour vinegar into a bowl and put it in the place where you want to eliminate the bad smell. To make nail polish stay on longer, before applying the first layer of polish, dip your nails into half a cup of white vinegar for 10 minutes. You'll notice that your nail polish will stay on longer. 5. To remove sweat stains. Sprinkle a generous amount of white vinegar onto the affected areas of the garment and leave it for at least 10 minutes. Then rinse it off with warm water. Your favorite shirt will look as good as new. If you don't have white vinegar at home, it's time to run out at a store and buy some. And don't forget to do us 3 favors. Hit the like button, share this video, and click subscribe to stay always tuned. Stay healthy.